Chief Minister Conrad Sangma emphasized Meghalaya's growing enthusiasm for football and outlined the state's vision to become a key football hub in the Northeast. Addressing the Northeast United FC's Open Training and Media Day in Shillong today, the Chief Minister outlined plans to establish Meghalaya as a key football hub in the Northeast, highlighting collaborative efforts with regional teams. The Chief Minister also discussed the upcoming football academy in the state and praised Northeast United players as role models for the youth, inspiring future generations.
Ready. 1, 2, 3.
And we are very hopeful that with Northeast United, with other clubs also, from the state, from the region also coming together, that Meghalaya will be a very important hub for football. And of course, with the setting up of the academy out here, I'm sure that it's going to be a big boost to football as a whole. So you're not just playing for Northeast United, but you're also now playing for Meghalaya and the youngsters. So you're partnering and motivating. You're icons for the youth of our state.